Now, I talked before when I was leading you and so forth, you never want to use force, because if you use force, force always requires an alternative force. I'll show you an example. If I let little Smokey go for a second, good ribbon, thank you. If I use, I'm going to undo that. Sorry. If you use force, this is what happens. If I'm going to use Jasmine as my example, can you hold that please, Dane? Now we're at school, and the teacher, Zoe, says, righto you two, who's the strongest? Let's draw a line, and the strongest person is the person that can pull the other person across that line. You ready for it? On the count of three. You ready? On the count of three, you're going to pull me across that line, all right? You ready? Get yourself ready. 1, 2. Now what did she do? What did she do?
Step back.
She stepped back.
Yeah.
She stepped back in preparation for resistance, which hadn't even happened, but she prepared for it, right? So if you're a person who's heavy-handed with your horse, all you're creating is resistance before it's even occurred. And then you say, oh, this horse is hard mouth. Well, hello, how did it get hard mouth? You created that, okay? Thank you for that demonstration. So instead what we do is this. Let's say Jasmine is now a horse. Boom, you're now a horse. Okay. You hold that in, that's how you know you're a horse. Also, do you know how you're a horse? Because you make a neigh sound. That's it, so you know a horse. Okay, so instead of doing force, we do this. We do a rhythm, and the timing is this. Now let's say we've got a secret code going on. Our secret code is 5. When you hear 5, then move, okay? If you don't hear 5, don't move. Okay, please, walk, please come. Please come. No, she's not coming. Oh, okay, I'm gonna be forceful. I'm gonna force her to come. Come on, you horse. Get into this horse fight. Get into this horse fight. No, she won't come. Oh, you know what? I became a free member of NaturalHorseWhisperer.com, and I learnt this natural technique. It's a free group I just created. All right, and I learnt this technique. And here's the technique. 1 and, which is like 2, think about it. 3, think about it. 4, think about it. 5,
Go.
oh, good. And she gets a pat for that.
Yeah.
And she chose to do it. Okay, that's the difference, okay? So when you teach a horse like that, the outcome can look like this.